Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Indian Coast Guard Recruitment 2023. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And don't skip, watch the video till the end. Before going to the complete details of this notification, let's see the overview of this. The organization that has released this notification is Indian Coast Guard for the post Navig General Duty and Navig Domestic Branch. And total 255 post vacancies are released in this notification, and the applications will be start from 6th February 2023 and you can apply till 16th February 2023 and you can apply online, and the job location is across India. The selection process will be based on 4 stages, and if you have any queries you can go through this official website indiancoastguard.government.in. Let's see the vacancies. As I said above, there are 255 post vacancies in this notification, and in that there are 225 post vacancies for Navig General Duty and 30 vacancies for Navig Domestic Branch post. Coming to the age limit, the minimum age to apply for these vacancies is 18 years and the maximum age is 22 years. That means you should born between 1st September 2001 to 31st August 2005. Coming to the educational qualifications, for the post Navig General Duty, you would have passed 10+2 with Maths and Physics from an education board which is recognized by Council of Boards for School Education, and for the post Navig Domestic Branch you would have passed class 10 from an education board which is recognized by COBSE. Coming to the selection process, as I said above, there are 4 stages of CGE PT examination, and the first stage is written examination, stage 2 is physical fitness test, document verification and initial medical examination, and in stage 3 there will be document verification, final medicals at INS Chilka, and submission of original document, police verification and other associated forms. And in stage 4, there will be training at INS Chilka. Coming to the salary, for the post Navig General Duty, the basic pay of 21,700 plus DNS allowances will be there. And for the post Navig Domestic Branch, the basic pay scale is 21,700 plus DNS allowances. And at last we can see the application fee details. All the candidates who are belonging to other categories except SC and ST, the examination fee is 300. So this is the brief information of Indian Coast Guard Recruitment 2023. Hope this video is useful for you. For detailed information you can download the official notification. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.